Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about two very big hirings that are coming from Accenture. So I have again and again multiple times posted these hirings from Accenture for different phases of hiring, and again a new phase of this particular two hirings have been already open for Accenture, and you can check that these hirings we are going to discuss are for packaged app development associate, that is a PADA role, and the second one is for System and Application Service Associate, that is the Sasa role. So I have multiple times already posted about this hiring. Again, these two hirings have been open from Accenture. So I am going to discuss about all these hirings and their eligibility criteria, exam procedure. But before moving on, if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram for discussions, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscription, because we provide different hiring, onboarding, exam update related videos every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out on all the industry updates going on. So first hiring we're going to say is for packaged app development associate. This is only for 0 month to 11th month experienced students. If you have more than 11 months of experience, you are not eligible for this. So salary is going to be very good, that is 4.6 LPA. Locations that are eligible for this is going to be Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurugram, Kolkata, Indore, Jaipur and Coimbatore. Okay, and let's check what are the eligibility criteria directly. So first of all streams, branches and of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, for MSc, CSC and IT only are eligible. Okay, but for other this MCA, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all branches are eligible. Only students from 2023 and 24 years of passing out are eligible. Okay, so if you have are a 2023 and 2024 pass out batch, you are eligible for this with full-time education. Also, no active backlogs. You should not have any active backlogs. You should have completed your relevant degree within the stipulated time frame. Your highest education qualifications only will be considered. Candidates should not be appeared in Accenture assessment in last 3 months. You should not have appeared in any Accenture assessment or hiring process in last 3 months. Okay, and also you should not have more than 11 months of experience. I've already said this. And you should have eligibility to work in India either by citizenship or by work permit, in either way. And you are willing to work in any business unit or service line they are going to give you. And you should willing to relocate to any Accenture location in Accenture office in India. Okay, so these are the eligibility criteria, and if you fit in this, make sure to apply for this, because this is a very good opportunity coming from Accenture. Now let's discuss the hiring process. So first of all, if you are eligible, you will receive an email invitation to attend the online assessments. Okay, it will be scheduled in 2 stages and must be completed within the scheduled time. First, there will be a mock assessment, and there will be 20 minutes mock assessment or practice assessment. This is mandatory to get you like accustomed with the exam environment, exam software or exam web page, you can say like that. So you can get an idea how the questions, how the environment of the exam interface is working. Then there will be first assessment. First assessment will be composing of both cognitive and technical questions. So you will be have 90 minutes time to complete this assessment. Okay, in that 90 minutes there will be English ability, critical thinking, problem solving and abstract reasoning. These three things will be there, and total 50 questions from this will be coming. Okay, you will get 50 minutes for these 50 questions. And next there will be technical assessment, that is technical assessment will consisting of MCQs also, and not only MCQs, not coding. So the technical assessment will be consisting of MCQs only, not coding. So here will be questions from common applications of computer, MS Office, pseudocodes, fundamentals of network security and cloud. So these three sections will also consist of 40 MCQ questions, and total you can see that cognitive 50 questions and technical 40 questions. So total 90 MCQ questions and 90 minutes time you are going to get. Okay, this is going to be assessment 1. So if you clear this assessment, and then you will get your results within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, after completing the assessment, don't go anywhere else. Stay there, keep the window open. You will get your results within 5 to 10 minutes after completion. If you clear it, if you clear the cutoff, you will immediately get the second assessment, that is the coding assessment, exam link and all. Okay, so coding assessment will start immediately after 5 to 10 minutes. You will get the results, and then coding assessment will start immediately. Okay, so you have to meet the sectional cutoff for this particular round and also the total cutoff. Okay, and the coding assessment will be for how long? It will be for 45 minutes, and there will be two coding questions. Okay, and these two coding questions must be solved using any of the following languages. So the language options are given as C, C++, .NET, Java, Python. These five options are given. 45 minutes time, two coding questions. So the questions level is going to be easy to moderate level, because in 45 minutes if you are doing two coding questions, there is no way there is going to be any hard coding questions. Okay, the third assessment will be communication assessment, but that will happen on a separate day and time. They will notify you if you clear the coding assessment. They will notify you the exam date and time for the communication assessment via mail for after few days. Okay, so this will not happen on the same day. The first two rounds will happen on the same day after like 5 to 10 minutes, but this third round communication assessment will happen on a later date, and the communication assessment will be 30 minutes long. There they are going to check the sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency and pronunciation skills of yours. And if you clear even this round, then you are going to get to the interviews, and there if you clear the interviews, you are going to get your offer letters. Okay, that's how is going to be your flow of your hiring is going to be. Now let's check the second hiring. This is also from Accenture for System and Application Service Associate job role. Okay, there also they are asking for 0 to 11 months of experience. So if you have more than 11 months or 1 year of experience, you are not eligible. You can check the locations from the link. I'll give the link for application of both of these hirings in the description box. You can check it from there. Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gurugram, Pune, Kolkata, Nagpur, Indore, Mumbai, Jaipur. These locations are available. But for this role salary is a bit lower. It is going to be 3.44 lpa. Okay, so this is not the 4.6 lpa, this is 3.44 lpa, because the role is different. Role is system and application service associate. Okay, this is not the pada role, this is the Sasa role. Now we are going to check about the eligibility criteria for this particular Sasa role. So first of all streams and branches of BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, these all the educations they have mentioned, BMS, BBS, BFM, degree, all the degrees they have mentioned here are eligible for this. Okay, this is the main difference between the Sasa role and Pada role. So for Sasa role only this all the degrees are eligible, but for Pada role only BE, BTech, ME, MTech these students are eligible. Okay, so for Sasa role, all of these branches and all of these degrees are eligible, but also for here also they have mentioned the student should be passed out of 2023 and 24 batch. Okay, so you should only 2023 or 2024 pass out, only then you are eligible, but and you should also have a full-time education. Note that for this particular road, BE Tech, MEM Tech students are not eligible for this particular hiring. They are not eligible for the hirings that we have mentioned earlier. There for those hirings, BE Tech students are eligible, but for these hirings they are not eligible. Here also you should not have any active backlog. Here also you should not have applied for any Accenture hiring in more than 3 months. You should not have applied for like any assessment. You should not have done in less than in previous 3 months, and you should have like a work permit, and you should not have more than 11 months of experience. All of these things they have mentioned, same things. And the exam process or exam the workflow, hiring workflow, you can check. I'll give you the link from there, you can check. Okay, the same workflow you can see here as well. So that's it. And if you have any queries regarding this Accenture hirings and this Accenture how to apply, or what how to prepare for these, what type of questions you might expect in your coding rounds, or what type of questions you might expect in your interview, you can just comment those down and ask me to make a video about that. I will try to make a video on that part as well. So that's it. If you have any queries or if you get any revert back from these companies also, make sure to comment that down. Okay, so that's it. If you have any queries, make sure to comment down.